like to go swimming. I'm going.
So these are our floaties for swimming. Do you guys like it?
Yeah, there's swimming! Come on,
Do you guys like it? Do you guys like the waves? What are you guys doing?
I'm giving the duck food. Hey!
Whoa, look at those fishes! Do you guys see that? Wait, don't throw the food in. Look, do you guys see the fishes? Come in. You guys, there's fishes in here. Whoa, so, look over here, there's fishes.
Oh,
They're little fishes. Do you see them? There's like millions of them. Do you see them? Artine, do you see them?
yeah.
Come, go inside the water.
I'm not putting my pants.
Oh. Wait, don't. You're gonna scare them, you know that, right? Look, right there, there's fishes.
Yeah.
Go try to grab one. Yeah, go try to grab one.
I'm not going up.
I can probably try to grab one, but you just have to be quiet. Nope, they're too fast.
I think I see
Okay, so there's fishes. Whoa, what are you trying to do?
get a fish.
There's fishes right over here. Look, right over here, Alvon. Look over here. You just have to be careful because they know. So there's fishes here. They're all little. See, you scared all of them.
That's cool one. I want one.
What are you doing? Eating Doritos? Are those your favorite kind of chips?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this little. Look, Archie. Look over here. You like the little water? And then it goes to the lake, inside the lake.
Yeah, kill them.
You guys have to be quiet. Look, they're all over here, see? They're all over there. You have to go underwater and grab one. Try to grab one. Look, grab it, grab it. Did you grab it? Okay, so it's getting deep.
I just have to.
There's fishes everywhere. It's deep for you, I know. Watch out. Because it's like a little hill, so once you're down there, it's deep. And I also recommend you guys to come here. It's called Persian Lake, Peregrine Lake. It's a really nice place. There's a campground too. Also, there's another campground on the other side. But yeah, it's a really nice place. These little fishes are very speed. Yeah, they have a lot of. Hey, can you grab that and take it back? It's too deep for him, so he's holding on. He did that. I know, I got wet. Do you guys love this little stream? You guys like it? Because it goes all the way to the...
Crab ants! Fudgy! There's crab ants! I'll find some crab.
Okay, so we
Some
got some
fishes.
fishes. We actually caught some in the lake.
And I also want to cut.
So he's gonna try to grab one. So, but they are really fast, so I'm not sure if he could. I don't know how much we have. I think we have like about 6 that I caught.
1, 2, 3. I don't know.
And don't worry, we're gonna let them go back into the lake. So we go throw them back into the lake. Okay, we have to pick it up. Pick it up nicely. Pick it up. No, if they fall out of the bucket, they're gonna die. So grab the bucket with me. Come. So we're gonna let them go. Okay, well they're gone.
I want to catch more.
You can try to catch one, but this is what I did to catch one. Look, you have to first put them under it, and then just try to grab one. That's what you have to do. So you have to put it underwater. So put it underwater.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, but you have to put it underwater so they don't know that, so they don't think that you're some animal. See, and then take him down, 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 and just leave it. Look, there's millions of them over here. See, you have to do them a couple of times because they won't just come to you. What are you doing?
I'm getting some fish.
Some fish. You guys, we just found a deer right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, we're close to it. They probably think that we're gonna kill it. It's so cute though.
It's so
Shh. Oh my gosh, what if it just comes running after us?
Let's just go closer.
Okay, shh, be quiet. I don't want to chase it away. I want it to be here. Oh, it's so cute. Well, yeah, we just found a deer. We are very close, like very, very, very close. Come over here. Don't get too close to it. You never know what will happen. Okay.